Hi, this is Bobby. I'm here to show you how to winterize your GNC spray rig. Today we're going to get this rig ready for some very cold weather. It'll probably be in the low 20s, and this system will be great for that application. We're going to use a Prestone antifreeze. This is for RV pools and boats. This is safe. You can actually just, once your system is, you come back after the freeze, you can go ahead and actually put it back into the bottles and reuse it another time. The first thing we're going to do is we're going to go ahead and pour this chemical in. So we're going to go ahead and pour these all in. So now that we've put in our Prestone antifreeze, this is a 200-gallon tank. Typically we'll put between 5 or 6 gallons of RV coolant in it. You can see that tank is starting to turn pink where the liquid is filled up. So once we've got that in, the next step is we're going to turn on the pump, get the system going, and we're going to hold the button down and spray into the rig until we see the antifreeze come into the sight glass and come out of the spray hose. So that's the next step. Okay, now once we've seen the RV coolant come through the sight glass, come out of the spray gun, now to go ahead and finish winterizing it, you're going to just take off all the pressure, push it back to start, and put the pressure release on. That's going to let all the chemicals spray out and go back into the tank. Next, we're going to go ahead and take off the gun. With the gun, you do want to go ahead and engage it so you can get all the chemical out of it. That will help keep it from freezing as well. I have seen these actually get so cold that they'll freeze, expand, break. So always a good idea to take those off. And then we're going to go ahead and take off the sight glass. And once we do that, we're going to store this inside the cab of the vehicle. That's where we always keep it, so we know where it's at for each vehicle. Once you've done this, then you can go ahead and close up the tank cover, lock it back. Once we've done this, the last step is going to be to cover the motor and the hose with blankets. Then we're going to put a tarp over the whole thing, and we're going to tarp it down. That'll help protect it from the elements, any rain, snow, ice, anything like that. It'll help it keep it from forming on the tank itself. All right, guys, so what we're gonna do next, the next step is gonna be to cover the pump and the hose reel with blankets. We're gonna cover the whole system with the tarp, and we'll use these bungee cords to keep it tied down. Now that we've got the pump and the hose reel wrapped with the blankets, we've got our tarp on, we've got it bungee corded in, now we have completely prepared our system.